How to buy SushiSwap crypto on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the SushiSwap on Etoro easy and fast. So first thing you do, you go to etoro.com as you can see, and then you have to go to the watch list right here. Click on watch list, wait a few seconds, and it will take you to this page. This page you will find here all the markets, and you go down and here is the SushiSwap. If you didn't find it here, search for it in the search bar, or you can add it from here. Go to crypto coins and add the SushiSwap from here, and that's it. Now go to SushiSwap, click on the trade option, the blue option, choose the amount of money that you want to invest. I'm gonna invest, for example, $6,000 on this crypto, and click open trade, and here you go. Now this is my investment in sushi. I just invested $6,000 plus on this crypto. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.